Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Today we're talking about, for beginners, what all precautions, what all measures to be taken while driving the car. Number one, make sure you put a radium L board in the front and as well as in the back. So people can know that you are a learner and they can give way for you and they can also support you on the road. Next thing is, while driving, make sure you wear chappals or shoes, preferably, to drive the car. Because in driving school they teach you that without the chappal you have good contact and you can drive better, but it is not good for health. Third thing is, what you should look at is, you should also know the topography of the car. It's once before you getting into sitting in the car, what I would suggest is go around the car once, cycle wise and semi-cycle wise. See the car topography, then you can understand. So you can go in any lane or any road without any hassle. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.